What's up, everybody? So today, me and Golden, we're gonna be working on the roll cage on the inside. I made one of the down bars last week, and we're basically gonna copy it. One sitting over there for that side. We're gonna change a couple of the angles, but hopefully it fits in here really nice. We can get those two in, and then maybe make. What are we working on, a hoop after that?
Working on the halo bar and some, I don't know what those bars are called. They go from the front to the back hoops, but
Front to the back hoops.
Get those done in.
It's a technical terminology, y'all. But yeah, we'll put you on a time lapse. We're gonna start bending this one with the new improved tube bender. I had to redesign, had to extend that up there and make a new bottom portion here because we were blowing out these 12-ton jacks. Like, this is probably the third one, but hopefully it doesn't happen again. So stay tuned. So here's what we're running into. So we want these door bar, or these, what do they call these things again? What are these things called?
Pillars? Eight pillar bars?
The thing he's holding in his hand. So what we needed to do is down here, where it's gonna actually mount to the car, we need to hole saw through the edge of the car. I'll show you on this side. So the way the car, the 73 squareback is, we need to cut a section of this hole out right here so the pipe can go through and land on this angle iron that's kind of supporting the body, so the body can still come off later on. So right now we're going to get a hole saw over here. We're going to drill these out and see if we can get that one to go in, and then we're going to remake this one for this side because, yeah, I was doing it by myself and it did not look good. So
later. Piece of shit.
we made this for the passenger side, and we lined up where we needed to do our notch, and we drilled it out, and it fits perfectly on the driver's side because we lined up that notch the opposite direction. So just remember that for the next time. Make sure you do it right, because you'll start having pieces like this just sitting around in the graveyard. All good. We're back. Got the second door bar made. Got it notched properly this time, I hope, because we're running out of steel. Boom. boneyard.
Should we grind it now or try to fit it and then grind it?
I would make sure it fits pretty close first, yeah. The good thing about these is we can use some of these parts for gussets and other shenanigans. So let's see how it fits in here. Grinding on that one on the back side. It's low light in here, I apologize, but it's sitting pretty pretty. Let's do some grinding and see how it fits.
Ben's over here tacking in the A-pillar slash, I don't know, whatever you want to call him. Anything to help keep him safe. Have fun. Over here, I'm working on making some copes with this roll cage tubing. So here was a little practice cope that I did, or notch, whatever you want to call it. Now we're going to make a bigger one so that we can connect these pads up to the top of the roll cage. So I'm going to put y'all on time lapse and let's see if we can get this figured out.
All right, so if you haven't seen already, these are tacked in. They turned out really well, I think. Get a front shot. They go down through and hit this angle line that runs the side of this. So they got a lot of support. Boom. And right now, I'm working on the bar that goes from here to there. Stay tuned. Alright, so just got done making this crossbar for the front. It's gonna go up right in here, like so. And I got this ratchet strap here to pull it tight so it'll hold it in place so I can tack it in there. So I'll show you as soon as I'm done with that. Alright? Alright. Alright, here's what we did so far. I got that bar I made, tacked in place. Fits beautifully. Can't see it from the front really, which is perfect. You can see it up in there. Looks good. So that's tacked in place. Colton's working on the down bars in the back. Yeah, it's taking him about 6 hours on one, but it's going to be perfect in the end.
It's going to be perfect. Okay.
I'm going to start on the bar that goes from right there to right there on both sides. See if I can get those finished before he finishes that first one. Alright, here we go. Got the back one in. Adjust some lights. There we go. Back one tacked in. All the way back to there. That one tacked in there. I'd use a strap. It's a handy way of pulling it tight so you can keep your pipe in there. Giggity. Yeah. Those are in place. Got those both in before Colton finished his. What a loser. He's working on them though. Work on the second one here. It's coming together really well. What'd I say? I was gonna finish those two before you finish that one. Yeah.
What's up, guys? So I want to show you a quick little tip
Just the tip?
that'll help you make copes a lot easier. So what I did is I took a piece of paper and wrapped it around the pipe, and then wrapped that in blue painter's tape, and then I cut it out with a razor blade. So now when I fit over, boom, now when I make the next one, I'll be able to just put this on and then trace it in Sharpie, and that'll give me the line that I need to make the next cope without it taking 6 hours, Ben. Anyways. So we are done for the day. We got the front door bar, pillar bars in halo, mid bars, drop downs in the back, all of them are tacked in place.
I'm gonna go right in the back here.
Now we're just ready to do some cross bracing and weld it all together. Burnout's coming soon.
Yeah. We're a little ways off of that, but I like the optimism. Sweet. And we used up some of the boneyard, so that's pretty cool. And we gotta pull this back inside because it's gonna rain. That's a first for Virginia. Never rains over here.
First today. No, it rained earlier.
Peace!